We are trying to figure out if x times y is greater than 0. The only way that could happen will be if x is negative and y is negative, because negative times negative is a positive, or if x is positive and y is positive, then that would give you a positive result. So let's look at clue 1, only clue 1. This doesn't help us because x might be positive or x might be negative. For example, if y is negative 8, x is negative. If y is positive 8, x is positive. So it just depends on the value of y. So that doesn't help us. Now, so forget about clue 1. And here, clue 2, y is less than 0. Y is always negative, but we don't know what x is. So clue 2 does not work by itself. So what you do now is put both of them together. So we know that y is negative. Y is negative, okay, but that's not going to help us with clue 1, because if y is negative 1, that satisfies clue 2, x is still positive, because negative 1 plus 6 is positive 5. Now, if y is negative 8, yep, x is negative. But sometimes it just depends on how negative y is. So we try to put both of them together, and that did not work. Nothing works. Answer is going to be E. Nothing works.